Good morning, students. Since we have completed this topic of current electricity, now I'll show you few numericals given in the book just to give an idea how to solve these numericals. These numericals are very important and you should also practice doing from the book, from the examples. So it's given on page number 152. We can start with the first question. Number 1. Number 1. Let me read the question first. An electrical appliance is rated as 60 watt 150 volt. So here the rating of the bulb is given. Not bulb, but the appliance is given as 60 watt 150 volt. First question is, what do you understand by this statement? So we can understand from this rating or from this statement that if this electrical appliance is used at a potential difference of 150 volts, then it will consume the electrical energy of 60 joule per unit or per second. This electrical appliance will consume electrical energy at the rate of 60 joule per second every time when it is used at a potential difference of 150 volts. This is the meaning of this statement. Number B is to calculate the current. How much current will flow through the appliance when in use? Let us see. Because you know this is power 60 watt and the potential difference is 150 volt. So we can find the current using the formula P by V, where power is 60 and 150. So on cancelling, we will get the current equal to 0.4 ampere. I hope it is clear. Second question is, an electric iron of power 1.5 kilowatt is used for 30 minutes. Calculate the electrical energy consumed in kilowatt hour and in joule. So you can see power is given 1.5 kilowatt and the time is used for 30 minutes. So you have to find out the electrical energy consumed in kilowatt hour and also in joule. So to get an electrical energy in kilowatt hour, we have to convert this time, which is given in minute, into hour by dividing by 60. We got 1 by 2 hour. Now we can calculate the electrical energy. Which is P into T, where power is 1.5 and time is 1 by 2, which should be equal to 0.75 kilowatt hour. Now to get the electrical energy in joule, since we know 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So we can convert this 10 to the power 6. You will be getting the answer equal to around 2.7 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Let us now move to the third question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is assuming the electric consumption per day to be 12 kilowatt hour and the rate of electricity to be 6.25 per unit. So here it is given the electrical energy consumption is equal to 12 kilowatt hour and the cost per unit is 6.25. Okay, so we have to find out the cost for 30 days. So we can do take 12 kilowatt hour and into 30 because this is for 1 day, and then multiply this by 6.25. So on multiplying all these, we will getting the answer equal to 2250. This will be the cost. That is the cost of electrical energy consumed for 30 days, because this 12 kilowatt hour is given the electrical energy consumption for 1 day. So for 30 days multiply by 30, and the rate of the electrical energy consumed is 6.25 per unit given. So multiply this by 6.25 to get the total cost for 30 days equal to 2250 rupees. Coming to the last question, number 4. Question number 4 is in a premise 5 bulbs each of 100 watt, 2 fans each of 60 watt and 2 AC each of 1.5 kilowatt are used for 5 hours per day. Find total power consumed per day. So we can find out the consumption of power by each appliance one by one. First we can take power consumed by bulb. So there are 5 bulbs used and each bulb has 100 watt. So 500 watt is the power consumed by the bulb. Next, find out power consumed by fan. The number of fan given is 2 and each fan power is 60 watt. So we have 120 watt as the power consumed. Then power consumed by AC. Just a minute. So power consumed by AC, and you can see AC power is 1.5 kilowatt and 2 ACs. So 1.5 kilowatt convert into watt, which will be 1500, which is 3000 watt. So total power consumed by these 3 appliances will be equal to 500 plus 120 and plus 3000, and this will come equal to, on adding, 3620 watt. This was for number A. Now power consumed for 30 days. Power consumed in 30 days. So we will multiply 3620 into 30, which will come equal to 0.08600. So this is in watt. Now to convert into kilowatt divided by 1000 to get the answer 108.6 kilowatt. Now electrical energy consumed. Number C is total electrical energy consumed. Energy consumed. And we know the formula electrical energy is P into T. So power we have already got 108.6 multiplied by time is 5 hours given, which will be equal to 543 kilowatt hour. And now the cost at the rate of 6.25. So the monthly cost will be rupees 6.25 multiplied by 543 will come equal to 3393.75 rupees. This is the total cost. I hope these miracles are clear to everyone. Your homework will be to do all these numericals and also learn important precautions while handling the electrical appliances, and if possible try to write the question answers also. Thank you.